straight to it. Real long hair with a thick head. I'ma let her turn and let her drip drip. Front tail. Know I like it when you get a front tail. Real long hair with a thick head. I'ma let her turn and let her drip drip. Brother the plug on Perkins and Zan. She trapping too, she got bundles on hand.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today I'll be showing you guys how I got this hair color and how I styled this wig. If you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So this video is not really a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what I did with the watercolor method. I used Cajun spice and the cinnamon as my mixture. At first I added my Cajun spice and then I add a little bit of cinnamon. I just go back and forth depending on the color I'm going for. The reason I got the cinnamon with the Cajun spice because I didn't want it to be a super bright orange. So those two mixed together kind of balanced out. You guys will see me pour a little bit in at a time until I figure out what is the correct recipe for the color that I want. So I'm just gonna let you guys keep watching this. This is again hot water in this tub, and then I just added the color and then I just started dipping the hair in. I hope you guys don't mind this portion being in like actual real time, because I want you guys to see how I took my time and like the steps I took to get this hair color. So thumbs up this video if you guys appreciate the real time, and comment orange hearts in the comment section. So this is where I added the cinnamon to the mixture, just to add that little brown tint to it. And I didn't put a lot, I just put a little swivel in there. Basically the hair color versus the water wasn't enough, so I had to add more hair color to make it darker. If you guys like that orange color, definitely just use like half a bottle of Cajun and then a little sprinkle of cinnamon. But you guys see I'm dumping the whole bottle of Cajun spice in this water right now. I'm getting every ounce of color out of this bottle. And I'm not stopping there. I'm actually going to add about 3/4 of the other Cajun spice bottles. So almost 2 bottles of hair color and a little bit of the third, which is the cinnamon. So I slowly dipped from the ends all the way into the root of the hair. The hair color didn't dye the lace or the cap, so FYI if you guys want to know that. Now moving on to straightening the hair, I'm just using a flat iron spray and a anti-frizz mist and combing that throughout the hair. These are the only two products I use besides one more that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So now I'm just parting the hair down the middle, and I'm going to add some Lotta Body foaming mousse to the part just to help it lay down. After I'm done with the foaming mousse, I'm going to take a wax stick. This is my travel wax stick and go over the top of the wig. This wig does have some flyaways, just in case you guys were wondering. And then after I'm done using the wax stick, I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the hair. Now look at how this hair looks, y'all, after one pass through. It looks so smooth and silky, and it doesn't shed. I didn't get much of any shedding while straightening and combing through the hair. But I am a little disappointed that the hair is like super thin. 150 just isn't enough hair for me. So this hair probably better as like a bob. But overall, this wig is pretty nice. But I'm going to have the information about this wig on the screen. Now I'm just going to be applying this wig with Got To Be gel. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to stop talking now, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, you guys.